We have a little magic box of tricks called Moasure 1. It's going to track your position and measure it and draw it wherever you move in 3D space.
So we had a job come up that had a lot of radiuses. If we would have done it old school, it would have taken us forever and we wouldn't have been as accurate. This was so accurate and we could see the radius. It helped us figure out the job a lot faster, and I mean, this way there were no mistakes. Well worth it on unusual shapes, which anybody that's in construction is going to have an unusual shape from time to time. This is the device for you.
I own 5 of these Moasure devices. Most of the work we do is freeform, so it's flowy lines. Tape measure, you'd be guesstimating and rounding numbers, whereas this is a lot more accurate.
2 things, accuracy, just we're within a few feet of accuracy and elevation, and how much time we save by not having to slow down with measuring.
I don't have to be writing things down like, hey, you know what, from here to here, where my tape measure only goes to 25, and I have to put a flag or a rock or a chip or something like that. So it makes it very simple. Before, without Moasure, I would have to get off, grab my big transit laser level and set it up. It's not the hardest thing, but this just makes things so much easier and seamless.
It is worth its weight in gold. I'm telling you, you can do it by yourself. You can upload this to your iPad if you're using certain software, say like ArcSight. It'll upload to ArcSight and you'll have all your dimensions there for you. Then you can do your quote and get in and out of a job. It is a lifesaver. I would recommend it to everybody, and I have been.